Okay, so hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1887, that is reduction operations to make the array elements equal. Okay, so in this we'll be given an integer array nums, and my goal is to make all the elements in nums equal. Okay, and one operation is defined as we have to find the largest, we have to find the largest value in nums. Let's say it is at index I, and it has to be the of largest value. Okay, and if there are multiple elements, we have to pick the smallest index. Okay, and then what we have to do, we have to find the next largest value which is strictly smaller than the largest, and let its value be the next largest. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to reduce nums I to the next largest. Okay, so now let's move towards the explanation of test cases. So in the first test case, it is given that we are given 5, 1 and 3. Okay, so my current largest is 5 and my next largest is 3. Okay, so what I can do, I can make 5 to 3, that will make me 3, 1, 3. Okay, so now my largest in this is 3. Okay, and so what I have to do, I have to pick the smallest element, and this is my largest currently, and this will be my next largest. So what I have to do, I have to make this as my next largest, so that will be 1, 1 and then 3. Okay, now I am having largest is 3, and this is the largest, and the next largest is 1, so I have to make it 1. So my array will be 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so for completing this, I needed three operations. Okay, so 3 is my answer in this case. Okay, similarly in this case all the elements are equal, so we don't have to change any element, so the output is 0. In this case the output is like first we'll be doing 3 to 2, so that will take a cost as 1. Then we are having 3 2's to make them 1, it will be costing me 3, so that the total result will be 1 plus 3, that will be equal to 4. Okay, my answer is 4. So let's see how we can approach towards the question. So what I'll be doing, firstly we'll be sorting the array. Okay, let's say sort the nums array, and then what I'll be doing, I'll be initializing my answer variable as 0 and change this variable also 0. Then for I equal to 1 to I less than nums dot, okay, length of nums, what I'll be doing, I'll be just simply checking that if my nums I is less than nums I minus 1, I'll be doing changes plus, and then what I'll be doing, uh, I'll be setting answer plus equal to changes, and at the end I'll be returning changes. Okay, so this is how I'll be approaching to the question. Okay, so yeah, I guess, okay, here it should be not equal to, because apparently we have to make the elements equal. Okay, so if my nums I is not equal to nums I minus 1, I'll be incrementing my changes, and okay, here I have to return, sorry, answer. Okay, so how this code will work, firstly let's take the example of that particular 5 and 3. So after sorting, this will become 1, 3 and then 5. Okay, so currently my answer is 0 and changes is 0. So for I equal to 1, 3 is not equal to 1. Okay, this is true, so my changes will become, I am writing it C will be equal to 1 and answer will also be equal to 1. So in the next iteration, when 5 and 3, so as 5 is not equal to 3, so here my counter will be increased by 1 again, so my C will become 2, and in the answer I have to update it with 2, so here it will become 3. Okay, so as we have already seen that in this case my answer was coming out to be 3 only. Okay, so this is how we'll have to solve the question. Now let's move towards the coding window, and what I'll be doing, that firstly sorting the array sort nums, then for n I, okay, for, sorry for the, oh, firstly let me just zoom in also. Yeah, array dot sort nums, and here end answer equal to 0, and my changes variable also equal to 0. Then for int I equal to 1, I less than mm, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Then I will check that if when nums I is not equal to nums I minus 1, then what I'll be doing, I'll be doing changes plus plus, and here I'll be doing answer plus equal to changes. Then here I'll be just simply returning answer. Okay, so now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, so and it gets submitted successfully. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.